Hi, tkviper here, and today we're looking at Vietnamese food in Japan, which is very hard to find, especially an authentic restaurant. I found one a minute away from the Higashi Omiya station, and they make great noodles. And today I'm trying something new. I've never had fish pho or fish noodles here, or fish noodle anywhere. I usually have beef or chicken. So this one has just a mixture of a lot of things: fried tofu, and this thing here wrapped in seaweed. I think that's seaweed or some kind of leaf. It's pork inside, I believe. We'll check that out later on. Take a bite. As you can see, we have some onions, coriander, and also tomatoes. You can see the noodles down there. A lot of green onions. And pickled vegetables. Kind of sour pickled vegetables. And we'll check out this here. This is the pickled vegetable. Right, there's the noodles. So kind of different from the pho noodles, thinner. And here's a piece of fish. There it is. And you know it's real Vietnamese food when there's bones in the fish. So I was almost poked a few times eating this bowl of noodles. It was kind of dangerous. And they're not small pieces of bones, they were big pieces of bones. Let me taste this fish. It's pretty good. I was afraid this is going to be too authentic for me, but I actually enjoy this a lot. The soup is kind of like hot and sour. It's got that taste. And let's take a bite of this thing here. And this is pork, definitely, and it has some cartilage inside, so it's kind of crunchy. Not bad at all. And then we have the noodles here. Let's try that out. And the fried tofu. I think that's fried tofu. And the waiter just came here and told me that he forgot to give me this here. Oh boy. That's usually what comes with all kind of, fuzz, but they apparently messed up and forgot about giving me this side dish here. Let's try this pickled vegetable. Wait, this is actually a piece of pineapple. It's just a mix of a lot of things, man. Tomatoes. And some, I think that's komatsuna. It's a vegetable you can find in Japan. So let's add in our bean sprouts and lettuce. And some lemon juice. Usually in America it comes with some jalapenos, but they don't have jalapenos here. They do have a very spicy hot sauce on the side that I definitely will add after making this video. I really like it in America. They give you like a bigger plate of bean sprouts and a lot of basil leaves and jalapenos. Here they mix everything in at the beginning. Here we go. Some lemon. I think we're missing also some hoisin sauce, which is readily available in America at any Vietnamese restaurant. And oyster sauce too, I think. Here we don't have that. We have some soy sauce, and that's about it. And their house hot sauce. Here's a big piece of fish. Let's take a bite. Yeah, it's very good. I was really surprised by this dish here. I thought I would be scared to eat it, or it would taste too weird for me, or have a very strong fish sauce, the nuc mum, but it doesn't. So I'm glad, and I will definitely get this again in the future. It looks a little messy, but it's quite good. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.